Hello, those students, and welcome to your Biology 10 class. Today, we'll be starting another topic, which is nutrients. Under nutrients, in this lesson, we'll be looking at the definition of nutrients and the sources of nutrients. So, let's start with our definition. What are nutrients? Well, a nutrient is simply any substance which, when taken in by the body, provides it with material for it to function properly. These materials include materials that provide the body with energy, growth, material to enable the body to repair itself. Most of the repairs will be directed to the repair of cells, damaged tissues, and damaged muscles. Another material which is important for the body to function properly is protection. So, nutrients enable the body to protect itself. We should also know that under nutrients are also needed for use in metabolic reactions. I'm sure you can remember that metabolic reactions are divided into anabolism and catabolism, which are basically build up processes and breakdown processes, respectively. Now, where do nutrients come from, or what are their sources? So, nutrients come from carbohydrates. The nutrients that are found in carbohydrates basically provide materials for energy. You can see there's some bread, scones, donuts, and pasta. All these foods shown in the picture provide energy to the body. Another source of nutrients is proteins. Proteins provide the body with materials that can be used to grow and repair damaged parts of the body. So proteins are also very important in our diets. We can see there's some fish, some eggs, some meat, and Mr. Crab back there. So all these foods contain the nutrient proteins which are very important in the human body. Now let's look at another source of nutrients, which are lipids. Lipids are basically a combination of fats and oils, or simply the term lipids refers to fats and oils. In the diagram, we can see some oils in this bottle. Oils are parts of lipids, and we can see some cheese, butter, and chocolate, which are fats. Fats are very important, or generally, lipids are very important as they enable people to look fat. They reserve energy in the body and surround organs like the heart so that they can be protected. So they are also very important. We also have another nutrient, which is water. You might be asking yourself, is water really a nutrient? Yes, it's a nutrient, as it's important in the body, as most of our body is made up of water. So it needs to be taken in excessive amounts so that the body can function properly. Another source of nutrients are vitamins. Vitamins are small substances that should be taken regularly in the body, as they are usually taken in but don't stay very long in the body. In the diagram, there are many types of foods shown. Some are proteins, some are carbohydrates. Yes, so in those foods, sometimes we can find vitamins, which are very important in our bodies. The letters we're seeing are simply the classes or types of vitamins. We'll look at them more when we look at vitamins under nutrients. Another type of nutrient you will find is the mineral salts. Mineral salts are also very important in our bodies. Um, Usually we'll find the mineral salt, which is table salt. Others are not so common, but yes, salt is also needed in our bodies. I'm sure if you've hurt yourself once and tried to test your blood, but it's not really advisable, you'll find that your blood tastes salty. So you can see that salts are very important in our bodies. Last but not the least, we also have the nutrient which is needed in our body, which is roughage. So roughage is simply food substances that are needed in our body to help food travel. So basically, when we eat roughage, it won't be digested to give us nutrients, but it will just help the food that we eat together with it to be transported easily in the body. This is why you hear parents tell their children, please eat vegetables. It's very healthy to eat roughage. So don't forget to eat your roughage today. You know its importance. Yeah, we can see there are different types of sources of roughage. We can see there's some bread, some vegetables, apples. Yes, all those are forms of roughage. If you don't eat your roughage, you find that you have problems when you go to the lavatory. It won't be so easy to excrete waste. So thanks for watching today's video, and look out for our next lesson, which will be looking at one of these sources of nutrients.